So we're going to go up here a little ways, and then we're going to go down the side road and do it. Then we'll go into the old town.
Around here, so look nice.
Huh?
Around here, I would live like around here. I like around this.
You like around here?
Yeah.
Well, let's go ahead and start the video right here then. So, 1, 2, 3. Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, we're going to do a little bit of driving around Port Morant. Go to some places we've never been in Port Morant. Maybe some places we've been, but we didn't realize we'd been there. But for sure, we're going to go places we've never filmed before. Now, where we're at right now, we've done a little filming before, but we're about to turn a corner here and go down a little area that we've not filmed before. And that's what we're kind of excited about. Hey, I'm right in the middle of a video. I'll call you back. All right, so I don't know what this neighborhood is called, but it is what it is. I've turned that on Do Not Disturb. There we go. Do Not Disturb. So I don't know what this little subdivision here is called, people, but it's really quite nice. You know, you talked about places you'd live. I'd live right here, that's for sure. There's a little road up in there, but you really can't see any more than what you can from here.
As it turn where the shop is, it's nice. Come right.
Hmm?
As you turn, when you leave where you was parking, as you turn right around the corner there, it's nice. Come down there, it's nice.
Say again? What are you saying?
Where you were parking, as soon as you turn around that corner there to come here.
Yeah.
All along there, it's nice.
Oh, all along is nice. Yes, yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah. Yeah, the whole area is nice.
Oh, look at that little mango tree over there. It's legitimate mangoes. This little one here. Look like hang down.
Oh, yeah. Too bad that's in somebody's yard.
You know? Not in my yard. Oh, this is a big house.
Yes, look at that. Wow.
They live in the bottom. It's
Oh, okay.
They live in the bottom.
Yeah. Wow.
This house looks like a housing scheme house, so maybe.
Well, maybe this is a housing scheme.
This one is a housing scheme house.
Okay.
So maybe they were.
Maybe they all are, and some of them have been. See, look how they're building on to there, making the roof taller.
See this one? It's a housing
Making
scheme.
the roof taller.
So
and
it's Port Morant housing scheme. See?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, see the two sides. See the house they look. See
Yeah.
Okay, it's in right there.
Yeah, it just comes down here and ends. The river's right there.
Oh,
The river's right there.
okay.
Yeah, I can see it on the map that I'm using here.
Okay.
You know, when we were driving on that road there, there was a car pulled under one of the shade trees there that looked like it was the same color as Clarity's car. I wonder if that was him, and he saw us. And it was probably him. He saw us come by, so he called. So he didn't know we had just started our video, so that's fine. I'm liable to call him one day too while he's doing his video. So. Yeah. It's a nice quiet neighborhood up in here, you know.
Seems so.
So here, oh, they really.
Maybe they break down the housing scheme house, you know.
Could be, and then, but you know that lower, but they're living in the lower level, so that lower level is going to be nice and cool.
They break it down because.
Now I'm going to go down. I'm going to go down to the left here, and there's a road down here. I'm going to take.
So it's housing scheme all along. I see more.
Well, I don't know that these are housing scheme, but
yes, I see some more housing scheme at the church. So maybe let's stop somewhere up there. So.
Well, there's some nice homes right here, aren't there? We've driven this before, people, but it's been a while. We actually, when we did our Airy Castle drive, we did this.
And you see how it looks nice and big.
Well, I've drank that liter of water. I'm going to have to start carrying more than a liter of water with me. Okay, and there's...
That yellow look pretty in it.
Yeah, that is a bright. Okay, we're going to go into Port Morant this way today. We've never been on this road, ever. You ever been on this road, sweetie? I shouldn't say ever, because maybe I did it one time and I don't even remember, but I just really don't think I don't think I've been on this road. Huh. Well, this is going to be an adventure. Look at this. Boy, that's going to be a big home there. It's already a big home. Woo, they really had it on.
And there's a home up there. Look at this.
Yeah, look at the road going up there. You know, when I was straightening that camera, I really wish I'd have paid closer attention when I was fixing it back on that previous video, because it wasn't just the pole. If you want
this mikkle, you can get it.
No, that's yours. I've got another swig.
Go near, so he's.
See, now that housing scheme we just went to, that first one there, it's, if you go to the left and go up there, you'll get to it.
Oh, well.
Yeah, if you go up the left, you'll get to it. That's where this river comes through here. Back up in here. I said it was back to the river. It's right up, it's back up in there to our left. If you go straight that way to the left and go up that hill, That's where that road where we turned around up there.
But there is no houses around here. Oh, this is a butcher place.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, butcher. Yeah. So they kill animal around.
Boy, look at these. Look how tall some of these trees go up. My goodness.
And here is undeveloped.
Yeah, really is.
What?
This would take us into town, and there's another neighborhood up here. That's actually a neighborhood up there.
A
but
neighborhood up there?
Yeah, But that road looks a little too rough for me.
Look rough.
And I'm going to tell you, I'm going to stay down here.
Oh.
Okay, I'm not going to take every road today, I guess, people. People are probably scratching their head and saying, I've watched your videos. You're never afraid to take a road. Why wouldn't you take that road? I can hear them now cussing me.
But, you know, the vehicle, you don't want to get a puncture.
No, I know.
Okay. Look at the wall here.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, how far I have to go?
There's a house right there, too.
Yeah, it must be a house.
Yeah.
You think they made this wall just because they want to make a wall?
Well, I guess. I don't know what they made that wall so high for.
It's reinforcement too for the where the house is. You know?
Mm-hmm.
This must be the old time Port Morant, because you can see the houses and people live on bigger piece of land. Flow soul here.
Don't get me started on flow. We'll have a whole video about flow if you get me started. Huh.
What?
Well, I was going to take that road, but I did change my mind. It's on the map. Boy, that's a big home there. Look at this home here.
Okay.
My goodness sake. That thing is huge. You know where you're at now? Oh, look, they got a coal kiln started here. See it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, big kiln.
Yeah, this was the road I was talking to. But I don't know what is unsigned here.
Yeah, that's the road you said you wondered.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where it goes.
I think the name of it is out the front, yeah.
This is actually the Bath Road. It's called Bath Road. That other road is some other name. The one that goes the other way. This is actually the one that's called the Bath Road. According to my GPS anyway, but who knows if that's right.
Okay.
Well, this is Port Morant on a Sunday, nice and quiet on a Sunday. There's our guy.
Oh, you're a friend, eh?
Yeah, our friend that we always give him a little something when we buy gas. If we'd have taken that road, that road back there where I said, but I didn't want to tell you it was the high one, it would have eventually brought me over to here.
Oh, that one. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It would have taken me over here, but.
That the first rough one, the first one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh.
And one of them would have taken me here, but I'm not sure which one. Maybe not that one. I'm gonna go up to some of these up on top here. What do you call this neighborhood up here?
Landtop, I think.
Landtop?
I think it's Landtop.
We're going to the Landtop.
Port Morant, Landtop.
Port Morant, Landtop. We have not done a video up here.
No, I don't think so.
We've only driven up here once.
Yes.
I'm not sure why we came up here.
I don't remember you.
Just to do it, I guess. Uh-oh.
I think we came.
Now, if I went down that road there, that's where it would take me back to where we can go this way a little ways and see that first road that I said that went up real steep and looked like it might be hard on my car.
Well, maybe just that little first part.
It might be. So I'm going to go this way a ways and just see what we see, and then we'll turn back and catch the other part of what'd you call it? Top.
Well, some housing scheme, some long time housing scheme houses here. These little houses I've got in Chiswick.
Oh yeah.
We passed some more.
Oh, like the ones in like.
Yeah, in Chiswick.
Like
I mean, these are long time ones.
Mm-hmm. Landtop Development and Resource Hub, the sign says. So yeah, this is called Landtop. And then that other road. Oh no, that back there a little ways where I said I could maybe try that road.
Yeah.
That would come out here.
Yeah. So
the one just a little bit back there. Well, this is interesting. Now, I've never driven here that I know of, that I recall.
I never.
That road there would take me, remember that one I said that was the real skinny one and it hardly looked like a serious road?
Yeah.
That's it, right there. That's where it comes out. So, yeah. But it'll weave through the neighborhood there and then finally come out.
Okay.
So.
That's also the neighborhood lead right back into town. There's that little road there.
And I don't know what's over on the other side of this wall, but it shows this wall on here too.
I wonder if it's a school. I don't know.
Port Morant, CDC. Oh, that's something different. And then this is the road that goes down to where I said I don't want to take that.
Don't bother go down here.
Yeah, I'm not going to go down there and turn around here. Yeah, this wall here shows.
Mm-hmm. It's a long wall.
I have no idea what it is about or what's on the other side of it, but it shows up on the map.
Yeah, I don't.
Just like a blue line.
I don't really.
There's nothing over there.
Nothing over there because look at this spear bush. So at one time there was something. Oh, there's a sign. Let me go down and come and look on this sign.
Oh, yeah, I don't see a thing there.
There is a sign outside of it. There is a gate.
Oh, here's a gate we can see.
See the sign there? Max Hardware Supply is somebody's place. So at one time.
Look at it. It's just a big open area.
So
I wonder if they have events there, maybe. Like.
See, so
they have events, or there's a soccer field or something, or a cricket.
It's a big place. Look.
Yeah, but I'll bet it's a soccer field or something, or an event center.
Look at this.
And they just have a wall because they don't want people sneaking in, not paying to go through the gate.
Yeah. Okay, see, it will go right around.
Yeah, that must be some sort of a athletic field or something, sweetie.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because it's flat. You can see in there, it's very flat in there.
Yeah.
So that would be a good flat spot to have a.
What it look like? They're not using it.
No. We'll have to ask somebody about it who might know.
See that man picking a key. If I should
you got some Ackies.
If I should see some hockey, I would want it because
yeah.
I have 2 breadfruit. One is house here. I'll pass on the attention. One more the house. See the plums on the tree.
Here's where we came in, right here.
Okay.
Wasn't it? Yeah. And then we turned right. Now this would have been if we'd have turned left. So we'll see what we have up in here. Oh yeah, I just looked at my little map thing. I can see, yeah. Look at those mangoes. You see them?
On the tree, those young mangoes.
Are they young? Okay, there's some young ones too.
Mm-hmm. Look at this. Oh, look the colors on this side. I don't. Why don't put those drawing like a cartoon house? It's a dead end road.
Yeah, it's the end of it, end of the road.
See the plums on the tree? See some ripe one here on it? See?
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
There's another at the house.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
And
over
this
here
is
too.
yeah, see it at the front there. So, those houses are from in the 50s.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. See the one there to go behind you. So I'm say maybe they were all here. See that one there they had on to it. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
it was a house.
It's all a housing
See
scheme. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. This one is the same. Yeah.
And then this is the end of this here.
Bush thick down here.
Mm-hmm.
So one more the plum tree here. It's our red plum.
Mm-hmm.
I like those plum. I want a little tree.
There's some ackee there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. See any open though?
Want some. Oh, houses down here too.
Mm-hmm. That's what I was saying. At the next little place, I could have turned right.
Houses down here.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah. Plenty houses down there and big houses.
Oh yeah, I see that. I don't even know how to get to those though. Actually.
It come like when we were going to.
Yeah, that one where I could have turned to the right. I should have gone down then taken the low road. Well, this is right off this road, I think. Maybe not. Maybe there's another road down there. I don't quite know how to get to it if there is.
Yeah, must be a road.
Oh, right here. Right here.
What? That look at the end of that road? How it goes on?
That goes by the hardware store and then goes out on the road. Here, we'll take this one. This is the one I said if we take this one, it'll come out and then it'll go back up where we already just drove. So we'll go up and then back and then we'll go back out. Oh, we missed this neighborhood. We missed this neighborhood. This is nice. Look at this house to the left, sweetie.
That's just one house.
Well, I know it's one house, but it's one nice house. It's one nice house.
A big community and only one nice house.
So? That's going to be a nice house there.
That one, this one. That one. A big area around here.
You know?
This jackfruit tree just spread out. No, it's a cashew tree. Cashew. It's cashew tree.
Mm.
I see one cash on it.
Hmm.
For a long time, the first time seeing a cashew tree around the area there.
Mm-hmm. And then here's where remember we drove by here.
Mm-hmm.
I should have caught this on the way going back, and then I'd have been going out, but I didn't know where it went. I should have looked at the map. Land Top Redevelopment Resource Hub.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh. I'm going to go this way. The road's easier. The road's easier this way.
Okay. So we don't have to wander now.
No, now we know how to get to those houses.
The Port Morant is a big area still.
It really is.
Yeah.
You know?
Look like it's a small, you're just driving through, but it's a lot of
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
it.
And this place over here, they really painted up their fence. Nice.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Emmanuel.
They've got an entertainment area there. We got to pay to get in. They got bathrooms. You see the bathrooms over there on the one side, and then a big open area. So I bet they have entertainment, dances, and DJs and music and such there. You know, or drink outs, whatever you call them.
Okay.
And we usually, if we were going straight home, we turn to the right. And so we've done that video, so we'll go this way. Although we did this one time when we were going to what's the name of the place? Airy Castle.
Oh, Airy Castle.
Yeah. And we used to come along here and then turn here. Well, it's called Chapel Hill.
Yeah, Chapel Hill.
Chapel Hill. Is this where the
churches? Because there's a lot of churches.
Oh.
No, up this way is where we have the
That's where we go. This is where the tax
where the tax
administration is. Yeah, we used to come this way all the time.
Yeah.
And that's the way we'd come.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that up in there.
Oh, there's a road that.
Oh, there's a whole neighborhood there. Here, let me look at my glasses here real quick.
And not a mango hanging down off trees.
Oh,
What?
I guess we could drive up in there and look.
Come up.
We've never ever been on that road, even when we used to come up in here to the tax administration.
No, cow didn't have any reason.
No. Not that we really have a reason today, but we're going to make a reason.
But because we are doing videos.
Yeah, look at the mango there.
Oh, plenty mango. Wow.
Maybe I have been on this road one time when there was a detour. When there was a detour one time, I had to take this road.
I don't.
Yeah, I think I took this road on it when there was a detour one time.
What is that big here? Right?
Well, I couldn't have taken this road on a detour because it's not a through road.
Okay. Because never wonder. So we're because you see, it just ain't down here.
This is the other road. I don't think I can pass here either.
It's a ball that.
I can't even pass.
Yeah. Okay, this is that in the way.
I can't pass. There's not enough room to get past that car and turn around up there. So. So yeah, so I've never been here. It would have been quite a detour if I'd been here, right?
Yeah. You know, the places look like one place look like another.
That's true. And you know, it's been so long, and I wasn't even familiar with the area at that time like I am now. Now I'd say, well, no, we were such and such or such and such. But now, at that time, every little turn was new to me. You know. So.
Chapel, Brent Church, one day, so. About 4 church or so.
Yeah.
No, on this side of the church, I'm out where the next road come home.
And here's the tax admin.
And the tax. I the next road it's only have 2 church. The next one have about 4 or 5 church.
Well, they're doing some construction here, as we well knew. Wonder if they're doing any work today. And I'm driving the wrong way on a stopped lane. Doesn't seem like they're doing any work today.
But we pass some people working though.
Well, what a journey, huh? Interesting journey. Let me see how many minutes we've been on this interesting journey as we stop here. Okay. The clock here says 41 minutes. So it's not, wouldn't be a long video if we stopped right now. You know?
So what you gonna stop it now? What?
Well, because we're at the end of town. No, let's just ride the road. I was saying I wanted to see what this road looked like going the other direction, the road construction. So we pretty well we hit that on the other when we were finishing our last video, you know. That road there, so.
Somebody living on that or what?
Say what?
That little shop there, look like somebody either living there or I don't know, they are cooking.
Maybe.
They are cooking.
You wanted some food?
From them?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, you would just comment it was there? Okay.
Yeah. No,
You said it like you were hungry. I didn't know.
yeah, I'm feeling hungry, yes, but not from, I don't want food.
You don't want that? Okay.
If I see hockey, I want to buy some hockey. So I will stop you.
Oh, okay. Well, if I wanted to find Aki, I should have driven out of town the other way. I should have gone towards Moore Bay.
Yes, because I know that.
I know they'd find some there, but maybe we'll see something in Golden Grove, sweetie.
Oh, so.
You think? Or you want me to go back? You want me to turn back?
You want to turn back?
Not particularly, but we can.
No, just.
We want Aki? Let's turn back. Maybe we'll see an alligator while we're turning back. Or a crocodile, I mean. There's not alligators here. There's crocodiles.
The water still. Oh.
It's so beautiful. Imagine if that was your sailboat.
You know?
It's somebody's sailboat. It's somebody's boat. Yep.
Yeah.
Well, I'm a little bit hoarse for some reason.
Because of.
I've been talking for 3 hours.
And then you could be a disc jockey.
Yeah, I couldn't be today. I'm all talked out.
You see, yeah, pot on fire, cook and
Okay.
door.
I bet they got crabs in that pot. What do you bet me?
Could be.
All right, I'm just going to take this road here. Should I take this road here? Just for the fun of it?
So, if you
Since we're out and about gallivanting around and taking new roads and
oh, you remember the part that was tearing down and look like they fix it? remember one part of the road crack over this side.
Oh, yeah?
You don't remember.
Oh.
You look at the fix.
Oh. I thought that was at the next one, the where you go to the tax office.
No, the same one. I remember when we.
Okay. Here, let's drive slow. Let people enjoy this stuff here.
And look in those shop if you see any ackee on the counter.
Yes. I did this on that last video, but maybe I'll just cut it off the last video and put it on this one. You know? Because it didn't make sense to have it on that last one.
Seventh-day Adventist Church, and I think we passed one down about.
Mm-hmm.
That's two churches. Two churches. And there's another church right there.
It's the one we heard them singing before when we came by.
Three churches.
We still hear them singing. There's still a lot of singing going on today. It must have been, maybe that was the beginning, and now it's the end of the service, because we've been...
And there's another church over there.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
4 churches.
So we used to come into town here and then come along this way. And then down here at this intersection, we'd turn left to go to the tax. Because we didn't know about the other way.
There's a church here, 5 church.
I should have been driving slower right there.
Yeah, because you pass a shop here and...
Yeah, did you see up in there?
I can't... Yep, can you pass?
I was going too fast. There's a shop here too, but they don't say any happy there.
Don't have it, but...
Well, I know they'll have some out on the road, won't they?
Yeah, maybe. Maybe.
And look here too. I didn't see any there. People, this might look like we're going around in circles, and I guess technically we are.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we're going to look for some ackee. Madge wants to get some ackee.
Slow right here, so let me see.
Don't see any there.
The guy always sell out there something and everything.
Mm-hmm. And look at this one too.
And he was sometimes up there, so yesterday I have breakfast. Then I have one.
No. Don't see any there. See if he's got anything today. Nope, I don't see any ackee there. Nope. People were on an ackee mission. say we could see that when we were up on Johnson Mountain the other day, which was actually today, but earlier on a different video, we could see out there. You can see that island, and you could see over there on that point and that point.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing when you think about it. Oh, look at the people swimming. Look at the swimmers on the beach.
Oh, I didn't know that they there. I didn't know that they there.
Yeah? All right, we're going to look here.
And that vehicle in
Mm-hmm,
front.
mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
What? Account.
We don't see any Aki there, do you?
Honest, I don't know why you're so either.
I don't see any.
Well, if we are slow, just a bit away, just.
Look at the raft.
I never know the bed out here.
Look at the raft. That's like the raft that you pay to go on.
Yeah, I know.
It's got the seat
Well,
built
look
on
up.
it, everything.
So maybe it's paid, they pay for
It might. Look, see they're lined up here, drinking. Okay.
They have a little thing.
Yeah. Yeah, you put out a little, yeah. You know? Well, I wasn't planning on looking at this today, but I guess we're going to look at this today.
Oh,
Well, we didn't have the cameras on the other day when we came here,
no.
so it's only fitting that we show this. Yeah. Construction site ahead, and boy, they've constructed. Look at it. Look at it, people. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Man, oh man, oh man. That's really something, you know? Well, they've got all the stones ready to build.
I think maybe they're gonna take down some more of that.
Well, see where they got the pins?
Yeah, so that gateway they're gonna break it out there.
Mm-hmm, yeah. They come right around to here.
Yeah.
Just make that, and then just take the big hairpins out of both of those curves and make it nearly, it'll still have some weave to it, of course, it has to, but. Well, I didn't intend on coming quite this far, but here we are.
Well, you're driving fast here, because sometimes you see. Yeah, take time to.
Take my time here?
Yeah, sometimes you see Aki out here.
Yeah. Well, plus people want to see things too, that our viewers want to see what I'm passing. They don't want me to be racing past.
We see them put those square, those,
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe they're digging
the
down.
water boat in the road. Planting apple, go up.
Well, somebody for sure got some Aki somewhere.
You know those old prospect there where those people that sell
Huh?
old when you go
Oh, yeah.
trick, yeah.
What do you call that town?
Prospect Retreat.
Prospect Retreat along in there, yeah. Well, we can show this. This wasn't done last time we came. Well, this was done last time we came through here, but not last time we filmed through here. It didn't have near this much done here. See if anybody up in here's got anything.
Huh?
I just see bananas. I don't see any ackee.
Okay.
Wow.
A lot of people.
Yeah.
The librarian lady I go up with her store. Huh.
Well,
Right up. So,
yeah.
when you come back still, if we're not getting what the place where the guys sell plant something, where the truck coming out.
Yeah.
And right in there, so.
You want to go back and look there, or you want to just go on to the...
Just go. Oh, you recording and you're going so fast, you forget.
Huh?
You're still recording and going.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, I should probably stop this. Need to stop and save. Stop and save. Save. There we go.
This one, kill you.
That scare you?
Yeah, because
Because that guy was about ready to run into me. So I couldn't suddenly look at my phone when I was getting ready to grab it. So I just had to let it drop.
can't believe they don't clean up that dog altogether.
Uh-oh. I had 2 cameras stop, according to this. I don't know why they stopped. I bet they didn't stop. Either that or they got hot. They just lost connection. What happened?
You pay attention to the road, you know.
Yeah, I'm paying attention, kind of. They just lost connection, that's all. They're still working. But I'll have to get out to shut them off manually because they've lost connection. But we'll stop up here. You can find out when I can shut my cameras off manually. And then hopefully they'll have some ackee. I know the viewers and subscribers want to stick with us here to see if we find some. I think the one vehicle must be pulling the other.
It looks so.
I think that's what's going on here in front of me. I think that's why they're going so pokey. And the one man's pulling the next. So we're going to stop here and look for ackee.
No, look right now there, though. No.
Yeah. You got some there?
Alright, finish. Let me say like liquor.
You got a little bit left. Okay, let's go ahead and finish up the video, though.
Yeah.
Okay, this guy's got ackee, but we don't have how much, but Madge is going to go see about it. So big up yourself, bless up yourself. Be sure and like, share, comment, subscribe. Big up yourself later, and
amen.
and boy, I sure messed up that closeout. I had everything all out of order.
Mix up, yeah.
Just trying to keep everybody on your toes. Make sure you're watching to the very end, people. All right, we're gonna shut them down now.